Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add affiliate links to RedNote. Now you can add one to your profile as well, and what you can also do is add one to your post. So let me show you how to do this. Let's get a link first. So I'm going to get this random link of this Google Translate page. Now go back to RedNote, come here at the bottom, okay, where you can make a post, click on the plus icon. Let's add a photo, okay? Let's upload a photo. We can upload this. It looks nice. We'll select this and then go ahead and press on next. If you want, you can choose music, but what I will just do is I will add some text. Let's use this one. We can just add some text, any text you want. You can of course change this to English as well, type it out. For example, check caption, okay, for a link. So we'll put that right there, check caption for link, and then we can expand it right there. Make it bigger. So I'm going to edit that. Okay. Now go ahead and press on next. What you're going to do here, you can just add text. You just paste the link. Literally paste the link. You can say, check out description. Literally that easy and simple, guys. You add the link and then go ahead and post. That is how you add an affiliate link to RedNote.